And you join me here at SPE Offshore Europe 2023, and we're on the FilmOcean stand. And speaking to us first is Scott. Scott, now you're here representing FilmOcean here at SPE Offshore Europe, I believe for the first time as FilmOcean. Tell us why Offshore Europe, why SPE Offshore Europe, and why are you here? What do you hope to achieve?
Well, firstly, I think we're really excited to be here. It's our first time exhibiting at Offshore Europe. The North Sea and Europe's an important market for us, and so we're here to strengthen our existing relationships and hopefully make new contacts that we can bring our technology and our ethos into their business.
Now tell me about that technology then. FilmOcean, who are you? What do you do?
We're a ROV service provider, so we have a really wide range of ROV products that we deploy, and we engage with lots of different clients from all aspects of energy markets. New exciting things are coming, and we're going to announce that in the next coming weeks. But at the minute, we've got a wide range of ROV assets, from big hydraulic work class systems to small inspection class ROVs.
Now, exciting is good, and exciting to me sounds like success. Talk us through the success of FilmOcean over the last couple of years.
It's been an incredible journey to be on. So we'll touch on it, I know, in a few minutes. But we became part of the SPE group in 2019. And with really generous support, we've grown the business, I think, in an incredible way for the last 5 years now. But the last 2 years, we've seen just an explosion in terms of our sales. We've seen big enhancements in terms of resources and workforce. We were really delighted to move into a new custom-built facility in Aberdeen, or in Elland, just outside Aberdeen, earlier this year. That's an important footstep for us. And I think it's going to give us a really good grounding for the next 10, 15 years now as we continue to develop and bring that new technology into the market.
Now, talking of that integration into SPE, Jean-Marc, you're here as well chatting to us. I'd imagine it's really important for you to have that portfolio business with the likes of FilmOcean.
Yeah, of course. I'm really proud to have FilmOcean be part of SPE Group. SPE Group is a family group, so providing marine and subsea services in West Africa and Middle East. And as Scott said, FilmOcean joined SPE as a very good partner to perform our services in this region, and with a very good complementarity because we provide for a while diving services, and now FilmOcean brings ROV services, and today it brings a complete integrated services to our clients.
Now, it is 50 years of SPE Offshore Europe and 50 years of success and innovation. Now, Scott, you mentioned it's 20 years of FilmOcean. What do the next 20 look like for you?
That's a good question. I think we've had always a focus on sustainability, and the energy markets are cyclical, as we know. But I think we've never been shy to bring new technology to the market, and that's where our focus is going to remain. So we look forward to bringing the next variations of ROVs to market with our partners, and a focus on transition. And we look today, we have operations from Gulf of Mexico, East Coast on the States. We're operating in APAC as well, and our core business of Europe and West Africa. So a really diverse portfolio of projects that we're operating. Lots of different places and exciting opportunities are coming. We're looking at now with SPE, the French market for offshore wind, which is a key target for us to move into. So I think it's a case of we're always evolving, and so we're evolving into new markets, new technology, and enhancing the services that we've been providing for the last 20 years, but with the latest means and technology to do so.
Now, just finally, looking in detail at that ROV service you provide. Now, for me, ROV, it means savings, it means safety as well. What do your customers say? What's your positive feedback?
I think we have lots of diversity in terms of the service we offer, but for me, it's the focus that we give to the customers. So we focus our attention on what does the customer want and how do they supply that? How do we supply that to them? So we're a customer-centric business, and generally we have long-term relationships. And what we would like to do with all of our clients is develop that partnership that brings the best out for both parties when we do that.
Jean-Marc, Scott, thank you for your time. The FilmOcean stand here at SPE Offshore Europe, a first-time visitor as an exhibitor here at the exhibition.